So once I get my license for the gun, I'll buy a good gun. How many steps do you think you have done for today?
10,000.
He's having fun. My little cutie is having fun. It's an Indian restaurant. फूलगोभी देखो किस हाथ में लेके चल रही है.
Take the baby, you take this cauliflower.
No, it looks so good in your hand. Fijoa on the road. Hello everyone and welcome back to our another vlog. And this is our round 2 of taking her out. In the morning when we woke up, around 7 or 8. So earlier when we woke up, early in the morning, we just went for a walk on a long loop. But seems like right now it's quite sunny. And as you heard her mother, she was predicting that the weather is going to be really bad for the next 4 days. So she's using every opportunity she can to take the baby out. So seeing the weather, we have decided again to go out. And now we are going to Mount Hobson. Now let me tell you in Hindi. जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि सुबह सुबह हम सुबह नहीं, कल शाम को इसकी मम्मी ने भाई वेदर वगैरह रिपोर्ट फोरकास्ट सब कुछ देख लिया था कि अगले 4 दिन मौसम बहुत ख़राब होने वाला है. तो जैसे ही सुबह सुबह जब हमारी आँख खुली, भाई मैं फ्रेश होने भी नहीं गया था, इसकी मम्मी ने मेरे जिक दे दी, चल इसको लेके चलते हैं, अभी आसमान खुला हुआ है. मैं कहा चलो भाई इसको बढ़िया सा हम घुमा फिरा के लाए, अपना मस्त घर पे आ गए. अभी 2-2.5 घंटे हमने इंतज़ार किया था. इसने देखा कोई बारिश नहीं हो रही और फिर से धूप निकली हुई है. कहती चल फिर से यूज़ करते हैं इसको. तो अब हम इसको वो पास में हमारे जो घर के माउंट हॉब्सन है ना, बढ़िया सा जहाँ से व्यू आता है, तो वहाँ तक लेके जा रहे हैं क्योंकि आसमान काफ़ी खुला हुआ लग रहा है और लग रहा है कि हम जा सकते हैं और वापस भी आ सकते हैं. तो चल पड़े भाई.
$20 per person. South Indian style.
South Indian style, yes. That's an Indian restaurant.
Yes.
You want to try South Indian style?
No, but I'm recommending it for you.
Nah, I'm from North India. I'm kidding. The food is still good. If you try that food, like their dosa, their upma, those kind of stuff are really good. Don't worry, she's fine.
Hi.
She worries too much. What were you worried about?
Was
Huh?
sunshine too strong for her eyes?
Sunshine will be in her eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry. It's not coming in her eyes.
And you walking from the little walker.
Do you think there will be winds up there?
Yes.
That's true. If you
Maybe
don't...
I take you to another place where I always go.
Okay, we can change our route.
Yes.
We don't have to go to the Mount Hobson. Because to be honest, anytime you go there, on the peak there are always winds.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Okay then, not going to the Mount Hobson. We'll be taking some another route. क्यों शोर मचा रहा मेरा बच्चा? ये देखो भाई परसिमन्स, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं भाई हिंदी में मैं भूल गया, रामफल. ये देखो आज सुबह ही मैंने तोड़ के दिया था इसको.
We should plant one there.
What?
Mom said we should plant.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, we can. I think then our garden will have no space. Anyhow, we are waiting on where to put our mango.
Yeah.
I think we should use the center space.
big
Oh,
one.
what is this one? Fijoa on the road. Oh, yeah, there's a Fijoa tree. ये लो भाई, ऐसे रोड पे चलते बढ़िया फ्रूट मिल जाते हैं अपने को. Look at this Fijoa. So this is the Rimuera Bowling Club, the same bowling that I did and she did in her office party. Did you love that game? Or you couldn't understand the game?
I understand the game, but not too much fun.
Oh, look at her. Is she having fun?
She's facing the sun, so maybe not too much.
She's having fun. My little cutie is having fun. Right? भाई अच्छी खासी लंबी वॉक पे आ गए आज. तो बढ़िया तरीके से घुमाऊंगा आज कि इसकी मम्मी अब शाम को मेरे को दोबारा ना बोले कि चलो दोबारा. Would you take me out again in the evening? Or this walk would be enough for you for the day? Huh? Let's see. Okay, let's go longer then. I'll make you tired. This is our third round for today. Going out for a long walk again. So, How many steps do you think you have done for today?
10,000.
10,000. And imagine, after doing these 3 rounds, apart from this, I have also gone for 5-kilometer run in the gym. Imagine the kind of energy that I am taking out from my body. Okay. Wish I could say the same for you. How about I just walk her and you do the running loop?
No, I'm not dressed for the running.
You're not dressed for the running? Oh, okay. What about you? Are you dressed for the running?
Her grandmother wants to put the shoes on her.
Yeah. I'm like, she's just gonna sit in this frame with the blanket on her. What's the point of what happened now? What happened? Stop. भाई ये देख लो, ये चेरी गुआवा इतने ज्यादा इकट्ठे करने के बावजूद भी इसका मन नहीं भरता. How many do you want to collect? Every time you walk from here, you collect few.
It's a waste. People doesn't know its value.
Okay, I think the garden that we have, we need to completely utilize it by putting those mango tree, guava, cherry guava trees, persimmon tree. How about we use that area? Anyhow, we don't sit there, do barbecue there. Just at some area, like it's already has a boundary. Let's come little bit ahead and let's plant those.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. That's
that will be useful, right? Even the veggies we can grow more. We already have a lot of veggies, but still we can grow more.
Okay.
Yeah. And the grapes, I'm thinking where the grapes currently are, we just remove the tiles and then we put the grapes inside as well.
Oh, Joe, are you ready for such kind of project?
I can do that. Why not?
Oh, sure.
But do you think it's the right place for the grapes or no?
I think so because that place is sunny most of the year.
Yeah.
If there's sun, grape can get it.
Awesome. And also it has some places for its loop to go
She's
up.
not straight.
What do you mean? Huh? She's just 8-9 months old. How do you know she's straight or not?
I can tell by her position.
Put the cap down on her ear. These caps are small. They just come up. Yeah. Okay then, let's grow some different fruits and veggies in our garden. By the way, we already have a lot of stuff growing in our garden like mint, coriander, tomatoes, spring onion, feijoa, fig, so many things. And then what else? We have other things as well, mango, and then
We have a lot of veggie. Tomato. This
Tomato.
one tomato this big already.
yeah, we have already told that the beef heart.
Yes.
But there's other things, chilies,
This chilies.
and then sometimes we also grow some kumara. No, what was that? We grew something. I don't remember the name. Which was inside the ground, then we pulled it outside. What was that?
Kumara. We grow for 1 year and it's this big.
Yeah, that was kumara. But yeah, good that we have garden. We can grow our own veggies. That's really good. Soon when she grows up, I'll take her up for hunting. And then we can have organic meat as well. So we don't have to buy meat from the supermarket, those processed meat. We will hunt and then we eat.
It's not processed meat. They just cut it into parts.
Whatever, it's packaged. Packaged meat is not better than organic meat. By the way, many people who are watching this, they might think, oh, how cruel, you're going to hunt. It all depends on the region, okay? Where you are. The whole idea derives from this that you are very populated people. It used to be allowed in India as well back in the 80s, or even before that, it was completely allowed to hunt because back then there were so many wild animals, but slowly and steadily they started to extinct because we were hunting them and they were dying themselves or whatever. And then the whole narrative around it starts to run that this is bad, we shouldn't kill animals, we shouldn't do that. So that's the thing. But in this country, it is allowed to hunt some of the animals which are numerously high as compared to humans.
Yeah, the deer in this country is a pest. It's brought by some foreigners.
Exactly,
And then
deer,
they reproduce too fast. Yeah.
deer.
Yeah, deer.
So it was bought by some.
Pest.
Oh, really?
Pest in this country. That's why you're legally allowed to
Yeah.
hunt them.
Deer, turkey. Turkey is also allowed. You can. Possums. Possum is also pest, by the way. It also was. It came here in some ships, cargo ships or something, which was coming here. And then yeah, obviously once they came, rats. So some of these animals were never.
I think rats are pests anywhere.
Yeah, anyway, that's true. So some of these you know, animals and all these different kinds of pests were never in this country, but they were bought here by some foreign land, by some people, sometimes by mistake, sometimes deliberately, and yeah,
They damage the local ecosystem.
yeah, the
Like
local
the deers,
local flora
they
and fauna,
damage, yeah, the plants.
and that's why
Yeah.
it is allowed to hunt them. So once I get my license for the gun, I'll buy a good gun for the hunting, and then we all go as a family to hunt and then get our own meat. All right then, this is us for today's vlog. भाई रास्ते में जाते जाते हम सुपरमार्केट से कुछ सामान ले आए. ये गोभी, फूल गोभी देखो कैसे हाथ में लेके चल रही
You
है.
take the baby, you take this cauliflower.
No, it looks so good in your hand.
It'll look better in your hand.
It's looking so amazing in your hand. It's like I have given you a flower, a
Yeah,
cauliflower.
flower.
All right, guys. See you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Bye bye.